Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, just a prior warning, I'm driving east into the sun, so my beard is going to be red as fuck in this video. I've received a request by my good friend Blake Curby, singer of Teeth, to review Rivet Blue, The Darkest Journey Home. Now, I don't know if they're a hardcore metalcore band like Teeth or what style they play. I've never heard of Rivet Blue, but I'm about to now. So, review request number 2, here we go. Let's push play on the SoundCloud and see how we go. Okay, so it starts off with a bit of silence. There's a bit of atmosphere. Sorry about my head. And the sniffles are hay fever, I assure you, not cocaine.
Waking up at sunrise, wondering when we're done.
A bit of dubstep in there.
Sad to say, it hurts to know. Wondering when you'll go. Shut the blinds, I'm out of time. No one says you're fine. It's sad to say, it hurts to know. Sorrow and self-loathing, I will find our hell with a touch of despair, so we can kill.
Quite emotional, obviously. Some really nice tones in there. I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting a breakdown, so this is quite awesome. I've been listening to a bit of like dance and techno and old school the last few days, so you know, a bit of dubstep in there. The voice is pretty soothing, it's quite emotional. There's a lot of atmospheric music you probably can't hear through all the bass in the car and over my voice, but there's a lot of nice atmosphere in there.
Sorrow and self-loathing, I will find our hell with a touch of despair, so we can kill what we feel. Waking up at sunrise.
Wow, that bass is absolute killer. I don't know who produced this, but that is fucking some killer bass. And my bass isn't even turned up in the car. So about 2 minutes 40 in of a 3.5 minute song, and I was expecting a breakdown by now, but clearly there isn't one. But I'm really enjoying this song. But it's amazing what people send you and you get surprised by. You just never know what's gonna hit you when you're listening to music. So yeah, didn't get the breakdown I was expecting. Although I could see this actually being transitioned into a bit of a metalcore song, but strangely enough, the same level of emotion and build up. But yeah, so Rivet Blue, The Darkest Journey Home. If you're in a bit of a reminiscing mood or a bit of a nostalgic mood or a bit of an emotional mood, definitely give it a listen. Rivet Blue, The Longest Journey Home.